Samantha. Say hi. How are you? Are you doing good today? You took a nice nap. And now you're gonna be bugging Mama all day at work. Yeah, fun for you. I'm not gonna get any work done today, am I? Are you gonna let me work? You be a good girl? Can you be a good girl for me? That would be nice. Okay? Say hi to Daddy. Say I love you and I miss you. And please take me to work with you so I can meet all your friends and give Mama a break. Yeah? Say hi. 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 Goodbye. Say I love you. I love you. See you tonight. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye. Huh.